Now, what is in this course? So in this course, you will get comfortable with the fundamentals of Linux, getting started with the basics, text manipulation, analyzing and managing networks, adding and removing software, controlling file and directory permissions, process management, managing user environment variables, bash scripting, compressing and archiving, file system and storage device management, the logging system, using and abusing services, becoming secure and anonymous, understanding and inspecting wireless networks, managing the Linux kernel and loadable kernel modules, automating tasks with job scheduling, Python scripting basics for hackers. So we will have many sections. In section 1, we'll get you used to the file system and the terminal and give you some basic commands. In section 2, it will show you how to manipulate text to find, examine, and alter software and files. In section 3, you will manage networks, you will scan networks, find information on connections, and disguise yourself by masking your network and DNS information. In section 4, it will teach you to add, remove, and update software and how to keep your system streamlined. In section 5, you will manipulate file and directory permissions to control who can access what. You will also learn some privilege escalation techniques. In section 6, it will teach you how to manage services, including starting and stopping processes and allocating resources to give you greater control. In section 7, you will manage environment variables for optimal performance, convenience, and even stealth. You will find and filter variables, change your path variable, and create new environment variables. In section 8, it will introduce you to the bash scripting. In section 8, it will introduce you to bash scripting, stable for any serious hacker. You will learn the basics of bash and build a script to scan for target port that you might after use to infiltrate. In section 9 and 10, it will give you some essential file system management skills, showing you how to compress, archive files to keep your file system or to keep your system clean, copy entire storage devices, and get information on files and connected disks. The later chapter, which is 10, dig deeper into hacking topics. In section 11, you will use and manipulate the logging system to get information on a target activity and cover your own track. In section 12, it will show you how to abuse 3 core Linux services: Apache web server, OpenSSH, and MySQL. You will create a web server, build a remote video spy, and learn about databases and their vulnerabilities. In section 13, will show you how to stay secure and anonymous with proxy servers, Tor network, VPNs, and encrypted email. In section 14, deal with wireless networks. You will learn the basic of network commands, then crack Wi-Fi access point and detect and to connect to Bluetooth signals. In section 15, it will dive deeper into Linux itself with a high-level view of how the kernel works and how its drivers can be abused to deliver malicious software. In section 16, you will learn essential scheduling skills in order to automate your hacking scripts. In section 17, we'll teach you core Python concepts and you will script 2 hacking tools, a scanner to spy on TCP/IP connections and a simple password cracker. So, are you excited? We will go through section by section and we'll learn step-by-step style, so you will get everything needed, all the essential information and knowledge for you as a hacker. I will see you there.